Hi guys, I'm going to make this rubber band powered helicopter from this Zoomers kit. You could cut that out, or you could photocopy it, or you could use the one supplied in the kit and cut that out. We can do what I just did, which laid it on a piece of card and drew around it, and I'll cut it out of that piece of card instead. And then we need a popsicle stick, paper clip, and the propeller, which is actually a 3-bladed propeller they've supplied in the kit, as opposed to the 2-bladed that they show there. Probably for safety, so you've got this ring around the outside so people don't get the blade in their eye. Anyway, I'll cut that out, stick it on a popsicle stick, paper clip, and we'll give it a try. Right, I followed the instructions, stuck the propeller on the popsicle stick, got a paper clip, stuck the paper clip on the bottom of the popsicle stick, taped the popsicle stick to the bit of card that I cut out. Put the rubber band on it. And there we are. So, if the blades are pointing that direction, we have to wind it that way. And see if it flies. I'll put the camera on wide angle and we'll see if we can hit the ceiling out here in the conservatory, because it's raining outside. I've got my wireless microphone attached to my glasses, so you can still hear me talking while I'm over here. Right, wind it up. Did I wind it the wrong way? I don't think so. I just didn't wind it enough to give it enough power to take off. All right, I'll wind it up a bit more this time. Well, it sort of hovered almost. I don't want to throw it, because that seems like cheating. I'll give it a little help. No, it is almost hovering though. It's not just falling like that. So it's making some attempt. I'm going to put a bit of lubrication on here. I don't know why I'm shouting, because you can hear me perfectly all right. I'll put a bit of lubrication on there to help it spin. And we'll give it another go. Okay, here we go again. Not doing it. I could put both rubber bands on it. Yes, it did go the right way, very briefly. This is sliding up here. I'm going to put a bit of extra tape on it to hold it back at the end. Okay, try again. We had success. Very brief, but we had success. It definitely went up. I've changed to 2 rubber bands and lubricated the rubber. It went in the bin. Okay. And again, I'll give it just a little bit of a push. It's not very successful, is it? It is going up, or at least it's flying horizontally. It's not dropping like a stone. The rubber band actually fouls on the bodywork. Not good. Oh, rubber band's just broken. Oh well, this will be the last flight with this rubber band anyway. Crazy amount of rubber band on there now. Okay, I'm giving up. I have had more success on ones that have a longer stick, so they got more rubber on them, so they spin longer. I'll put a link in the video description to ones that worked. But I wouldn't say that was a terrible success or a great success. As you can see, I've put a silly big rubber band on there now to try and give it extra power. And we're not getting a good flight. We are getting some sort of lift, but it's not flying up and hitting the ceiling. Well, I've tried several different types of rubber bands and we're not getting any better. So yeah, I'm going to give up on this. It needs a longer stick, so you've got more rubber on there. The short little burst we get there isn't enough to build up any momentum.